All right, so for this example, we just need to clean up this complex fraction. So we have x plus a negative y over x over y plus y over x. So let's get a common denominator down here at the bottom. Multiply by x over x, multiply by y over y. Gives me an xy as a denominator. X plus negative y over. So this is x squared plus y squared over xy. Now you really got to be careful about these fraction bars. The top one needs to be significantly bigger than the bottom one because that's the longer, that tells you how to group these up. It's important. So I'm going to write this y as y over 1. And I'm going to take, so plus, so I'm going to take negative y over 1. I take the top fraction multiplied by the reciprocal of the bottom. Xy over x squared plus y squared. Excuse me. All right, so now I have these two fractions, and I need to get a common denominator here. So I'm going to multiply this by x squared plus y squared over x squared plus y squared to get a common denominator. So now, and this needs to be in parentheses, so I'm going to distribute. So that's x to the third plus xy squared minus xy squared over x squared plus y squared. These cancel. So my final answer is x cubed over x squared plus y squared. Restrictions. In the original, x and y could not be equal to 0. But here, x and y can be 0. Not both, but, so x cannot be 0 and y. Y cannot be 0. Okay?